Hey, what's up? Today is Saturday, March 24th, and right now you're probably thinking, hey, you're not at a race right now, and that's right. You are absolutely correct. I am not at a race. The OPSF 50K was this weekend. It's actually going on right now. I decided not to go because there's a big snowstorm coming, like blizzard. So this is what's coming. This little dot right here is us. And yeah, it's about ready to hit right now. Basically, all this snow, they're saying 5 to 8 inches in here in West Lafayette and up to 12 inches possibly down in Indy. That's just, I basically decided that it wasn't gonna be super safe to be driving home at night tonight after running 50K with all this snow. The other thing is it's raining a ton right now in southern Indiana at the race. All of that is going to start freezing as you drive north. Yeah, not a smart decision, so stayed here. Also not really feeling great. The kids keep getting sick, and so we keep getting sick, and this is just like, it's just ridiculous. So all in all, no race today. And it would have been awesome, like all the suffering, like through the mud and camping overnight in a thunderstorm and then driving back in the snow, you know, probably would have made a really great video. But I just decided to make the decision for myself not to do something stupid. I think it's important to, especially in these days of like social media and everything, to not do something stupid just because it's gonna be cool or you're gonna get an awesome Instagram post or YouTube video out of it. I made this decision for myself, you know, for my family, not to do something dumb and try and drive 2 hours through a bunch of ice and snow after running for like maybe, you know, 7 or 8 hours. That's that. I think the lesson here is that you just have to make decisions for yourself and not worry about what you might be missing out on. That's another thing. I really am sad that I'm gonna be missing out on this race. I think it'd be awesome. It's probably gonna be terrible, but that's also fun. It's fun to do these crazy races like this, get the crap beat out of you. I'm missing out on that, you know, and that sucks. But you gotta make decisions for yourself, for your family. You gotta be smart. Just like bee spring already. I'm done with this crap. Come on, spring, we need you. Also, the Barkley Marathons are happening right now. It started 20 minutes ago. The conch was blown at 8:33 a.m. and the race started at 9:33. There was actually a fake conch blown late last night at like 8:45. Laz is hilarious. So apparently everyone freaked out. And a lot of people knew that the race can't start until midnight, but you're at the Barkley Marathons and Laz blows the conch. What are you supposed to do? Maybe he decided to just change the rules without telling anyone. The race is going. They've been going for 20 minutes. Apparently it's raining and freaking foggy down there. Shout out Jameel Curry, go get it. This is it. This is the year for 5 loops. It's coming. Go get it, buddy. Obviously, everyone is like paying attention on Twitter. There's like one guy, Keith Dunn, who has cell phone reception and no one else does, which is pretty crazy. It's Barkley weekend. Oh, also, got this cool sticker. I actually had one on here a while ago. Someone was being a good Samaritan and scraping the ice off my car this winter, and they just like ripped it right off. Not a big deal. I got another one and just finally put it back on. Back in the club, one of the cool kids again. That's it. I'm gonna get running. So, GoPro time. Bye. Since I'm kind of home by surprise this weekend, I don't think I'm gonna make this a super long run. Just gonna probably do a couple miles, maybe a couple hours, an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. Just gonna kind of take advantage of being home. So here we go.
snow's here. It's really hard to see out there. I'm gonna put this GoPro away because I don't know if it's gonna survive this snow.
Hey, so I put the GoPro down for like 30 minutes and all of a sudden it's like a freaking blizzard out here. So I'm at like 6.5 miles. I'm not going to be out here very much longer. I'm going to get home, but I'm going to take the GoPro out for just a little bit more and show you guys some of this snow.
I put on these glasses. The snow was coming down so hard and I couldn't even see when I was going into the wind. It actually really helped a lot. It was fun. So a bunch of tree branches are starting to fall, and you can just hear them like creaking and groaning, and it's starting to fall all throughout the woods. Kind of been digging around a little bit with earlier when it was like this really nasty like sleet and stuff. Alright, enough blabbering on about how cold and snowy it is and how nasty. It's time to finish this run, go home, eat some food, spend some time with my family that I didn't expect to have today because I thought I was going to be running 31 miles, 2.5 hours south of here, getting home late at night. It's time to finish this. Let's go! Hit 10 miles, about 2 hours. What a lovely day.
All right, so I'm done. 10 miles, about 2 hours and 5 minutes. It is crazy out here. It's actually been really fun though. I can hardly see anything. That's why I put these glasses on. Before I put these glasses on, I could not see anything. It was kind of like the sleet and the snow was just getting crazy in my face. As soon as I put these glasses on, it was all good. Like I said before, no 50K this week. Traveling in this weather probably not very smart. So decided not to do the race. I really wanted to do it. Looks like a really fun race. That's it, I'm done. I'm gonna go check Twitter, get on Keith Dunn's Twitter and find out what's going on with the Barkley Marathons. So it's noon right now, so it's been going for 2.5 hours. Probably no updates at all. Oh, another thing, I am really excited about something I'm working on. I'm not gonna talk about it right now because a lot of snow on this microphone. But yeah, it's really scary. It's another way to express myself outside of video. I'm just practicing right now, working on it, just figuring out my voice, but I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna share it soon. I'm gonna update you guys. Something totally brand new that really freaks me out, but something that I really wanna do to push myself and just become better at something. I love the challenge of just exploring new mediums and new ways of expressing myself. I cannot see out of these glasses right now, so I'm gonna go. All right, bye.